We're on Route 59 near Liberty in Naperville, Illinois. Take a look at here. If you remember my winter video, these guys haven't done anything this all summer long. Here it's August. Look at over there, the rebar. You're supposed to pour concrete on the rebar to make new road. Now, you can see Fox Valley Center right up here. Here's Portillo's over here. We're in the heart of downtown Aurora, Naperville. And you guys have traffic blocked up. Well, like, come on, we pay taxes here. Get somebody out here and go to work. I don't see I'm sorry. I see a semi over there on the side street bringing in a load of gravel or dirt. Okay. Here, Route 59 construction is supposed to be going on. And everybody's back there on the side street working. I found all the workers after going up and down a little bit here. Oh man, look at that dumpster, Chris. I'm a dumpster diver. I think I'm gonna go look at it. You never know what you're gonna get. I love yellow brass.